When we started in Konza, I think everyone had doubts, even the National Treasury, so they were giving us very minimal amounts.
It was one of the projects that were captured in the Vision 2030 document, which actually was development blueprint for the government of Kenya.
So we had an interim structure which once was approved by the ministry, we started the process of staffing that structure.
In the journey of Konza Technopolis, this is really a great milestone. We have worked on this project with the vision of having an excellent place to work, to live and to play.
It's a very futuristic concept because this has not been done before.
We are now very confident and to be able to engage the rest of the public who could be keen to be part of Konza.
Konza Technopolis has been designed to host 200,000 population at full build out of the 500 acres. We've come up with green standards to ensure that our city comes out as green with no emissions of carbon to the environment.
It's a city like no other, planned from ground zero.
This will set an example that it is possible to do a city which is well planned and which is organized.
Seeing a city from scratch being constructed and being part of it is something that excites me, it excites the women, it excites the people that we are representing.
It is now good that we bring those developers and the financials so that they can start discussions and they can start preparing the next step of Konza Technopolis.
We as government have set the example by actually not requesting other people to come and invest, but actually to be the first investors.
It's us guys now to come in and try to see how to facilitate the financing for the developers so that they're able to develop whatever that they want, their concepts. Property developers have actually that mentality that this was a white elephant is going, and that means that now they are able to move to the next level of seeking financing.
Konza Complex being our head office, this is a great milestone in our journey.
I'm very happy as an architect actually to see the first product of a building being ready and it's now being occupied and operations have started on it.
We are now in a better position to engage with the project in terms of what's going on here, which mainly currently horizontal infrastructure is ongoing.
We believe all things going well, we should be able to complete this project in February 2022 as per the schedule by the contractor.
I see a very bright future for Konza Technopolis and for Konza City as a whole.
Konza City is going to grow. Looking at what is happening on the ground and the people who have shown interest, the organizations which are showing interest, I believe that is a dream which is achievable, and in the near future, so many of us are going to relocate to Konza.
To my fellow investors and Kenyans at large is to come on board and help our government in creating projects which will help us in achieving our goal of creating employment, which is very much needed to our economy.
I really want the city to be a hub within the region where we have ICTs, global companies coming in, partnering with the local companies, providing opportunity to our young people so that they can learn from these established companies.
Karibu sana as we carry out this engineering feat, first of its kind in Africa, and more importantly, a first for Kenya.
To all our stakeholders who are looking for an excellent location to invest in support of the Big Four of our government, and also to take advantage of the Kenyan market, to say Konza Technopolis is an excellent location.
At the ground, we say Mambo ni sawa.